First of all, apply some concealer on your eyelid as a base for the eyeshadow. I will link all the products in the description. Take this shade and apply it all over your eyelid. Now take this warm shade and apply it in your crease to blend the edges of the dark brown shade that you used. Now use a dark brown eyeliner and apply it over the lash line and waterline. Then apply the mascara. You can wear false lashes if you want to. Use the same dark brown shade for your lower lash line. Now apply the mascara on the lower lashes. Apply black eyeliner over the lash line.